Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone's door entry guards for Jeep's 2007 to 2017 JK Unlimited Wrangler. Step 1. With a vehicle-safe paint cleaner and cloth, clean your vehicle's entryways free of dirt and debris to help with the installation. Step 2. The proper placement of each entry guard is indicated by its distinct features. For the front entry guards, the rectangular nub and raised end of your entry guard should be facing the front end of your vehicle. For the rear entry guards, the ridged area should face the front end, and the curved end should line up with the rear end of your entryway. Pull away the adhesive backings located on the bottom and back of your entry guards. Finally, with a steady hand, line up the back end of your entry guards with the curve in your entryway. Press down your door entry guard firmly, securing it into place. Repeat on the opposite side. Then you're done.